Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing the dome light bulb with an LED bulb. I got tired of people leaving the dome light on and draining the battery, so we're going to start off with prying out the lens. And you don't pry on the outside of the plastic, you pry in between the opaque plastic and the clear lens, like right in there. Going to go in the front of the lens, pry here, held in two places with a clip, and just set that down. And then we're going to pull out the bulb. There's a little tab on the end, just pull that to the side and the bulb should just fall out. There we go. And that's what the bulb looks like. It's one of these double-ended bulbs. Can you see that? I'm going to put that off to the side. That's my replacement. Got these from LED Monster on Amazon. Got a pack of 4. Stock number DE3022 DE3175, white, and the length of the bulb is 31 millimeters. The last time I did a project for the front console for the courtesy lamp, the LEDs were unidirectional. These lamps are bidirectional, which means they'll work either way. If you flip it in with the other bulbs, if they didn't work, you had to flip it around to get it to work. These will work either way, and the direction of the light goes one way. See, the back has these I don't know, it looks like a heat sink, cooling fins, I guess is what you would call it. Cooling fins on the back. I'm going to try to line this up. I think it's easier if I hold it sideways. There's a little divot in there. I'm going to turn it so the light points downward. Looks great. Put the lens back on. Make sure it's in all the way. Put the lens back on. There we go, like magic. I want to thank you guys for watching. Bye now.